Hello sir, I am Majid Pulbaka from A&M and VRSR Polytechnic College, Gurlavallaru. I am going to write a program using the switch case. A switch case which switches the given cases as our input given. Before going to the program, I am going to say that by using the switch case, I am writing the program which supports as a calculator, which performs the arithmetic operations. As we all know that hash include stdabove.h and hash include coin.h int main all are common for all the programs. Here I am using the int main instead of the void main because my app which I am using to compile the program, my app is not at all supporting any other void mains or main, so it only supporting the int main, so I am using this. Thank you sir. Going to start the program. Here starting integer that I am going to take int a comma b and colon semicolon char, that character o as an operator, one operator o semicolon printf hyphen slash n, enter your operator, enter your operator. Enter your operator semicolon and scanf bracket colon percentage c for the character percentage c comma, we are storing that the percentage c that which we are giving that operator plus minus multiplication symbol and division, those are all storing in the character o, so and o, fine. Then again printf hyphen slash n, enter your values, enter your here we enter our values that which we have to that which we have making for our operation. Here we enter our values to operate that which the operator have been given. Scanf to read those two values we use scanf here, scanf slash n order percentage d, integer has to percentage d again percentage d, two values now, so percentage d fy comma, first one will be saved in the value stored in the and a comma, next value will be stored in the and b value, b, so and a and b. And now the switch case is starting. Switch bracket o. Here o is a character that which switches the cases. Embrace case colon case sign here addition plus for the plus colon next line printf slash n sum is equal to percentage d comma, here we are going to write the condition that to which the percentage d, I mean the answer that should replace. So the above values that which I have given the stored in a and b values. So the condition now I am going to write a plus b close colon semicolon. Next break. This is the syntax that we perfectly should do. Case finished, break, okay, fine. Next another case 1. Now it's another case. Case 2. Case 2 is minus if our operators are plus or minus, then this case is implemented. Okay, will be implemented. Printf bracket colon slash n difference, I mean subtraction, difference that is equal to percentage d, again percentage d, with that is an integer value we are getting now, so percentage d we should keep percentage d a minus b define next break semicolon. Here case 3 is multiplication, so multiplication symbol. Case 3 is star na multiplication. This is the symbol of the multiplication in the computers. So printf, here the condition is going to printf slash n multiplication that's equal to percentage d comma a into b. This is my condition, this is my condition that which I have given. Break semicolon. Yeah, so now our three cases are completed. And we have another two cases, the quotient in the division, the quotient and remainder. So case 3 is division. That's in the division, what we want, remainder or quotient. Remainder. So remainder is percentage. This is a symbol for the remainder. If this operator is used, this arithmetic operator is used, then we in the system, in a C language, we will get the output as output of the values of their remainder. Slash n remainder that's equal to percentage d, and now my condition is a percentage b. break semicolon, case 5. Now fifth case is slash, that's division. Okay, fine. Division. In the division, here we will get our quotient of the division. Printf F1 slash n slash n division sonna quotient. Percentage d F1 a slash b, that means a division of c b. break given semicolon. Now as default we should have printf as default is printf slash n invalid operator. More than those operators that which we have given, plus or minus, none, not among those, if any one you have given as an operator, you will get the output as invalid operator. Next, you will see that the output of that. Next, the open brace at the switch is closing now, and the main open brace has closing now. So compile, enter your operator. What's my operator? Now test all that what we had. First one plus. Okay, fine. I am going to giving my operator as plus given, fine, enter your values, any sum of two values, 2 space 3, fine, sum is equal to 5, 2 plus 3 are 5, so sum we have gotten. Good. Compile, run again, enter your operator, our next operator, minus, okay, fine, next enter your values, okay, fine, 3, 32 space 23, fine, differences, the 32 minus 23 is, answer is 9, so we have successfully got that answer. Enter your operator now. Next, multiplication, we can do multiplication now, so enter your values, 2 space 6, that should be multiplication, 2 into 6 is 12, so gotten. Again, next operator, enter your operator, that's reminder, we will get the reminder here, slash, enter your values, fine, 10, 2, quotient is 5, that's right now, do 2 5 is 10, okay, fine, run again. Now division, as here we get the output, here we get that what is output as coefficient of the division. Enter your values, same, 10, 2, 5, 10, 2, 5, coefficient same I have done, percentage, okay, fine, sorry, percentage, sir, percentage, 10, 2, reminder 0, yeah, fine, reminder 0. Here we have gotten that all correct answers and all the conditions are tested, as we given that the plus symbol that indicates for the sum we have given in the program already. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and enter your operator again, after run again, enter your operator, we have given that our operator as minus, so enter your value, 32 minus 23 is the difference between those both are 9. Next, we have given that our operator as multiplication, and our values are 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 6 is 12, so got our answer. Enter your value, that we have seen, we want that remainder is a division, and your values is 10, 10 to 10 by 2 is 5, coefficient is given, coefficient as output successfully, and enter your operator after this make done, and enter your operator. Here we have given that percentage, that which seems that the remainder has been output, should be output, so 10, 2, remainder is 0, okay, fine, this all are okay, fine. If we have given the out of the cases that which are plus or minus, if we have given, and again, if 1, our operator is a, suppose, enter your values, 2, 3, invalid operator, the operator is not there anymore. So this is the program I have done, sir. Thank you, sir, thank you very much.